Welcome to our tempered glass screen installation video. Before we start, get your tablet as clean as possible. Every speck of dust off the screen makes the whole job a lot easier. You'll have supplied wet and dry wipes and use these to clean the screen as best you can, getting every last little piece of dust and grease off. It's really important to get it as clean as possible. Now, inside the pack is also some stickers, and the larger sticker can be used to pick off bits of dust, stubborn bits of dust or dirt on the display. Now, the actual glass itself inside the pack, this has got a protective layer on one side, and you can see this with the sticker where it peels off. So before you peel that off, just make sure that you're happy with the fit of the screen of the glass, so that you've definitely got it for the right tablet. You can then use the other stickers to put on the front of the display, and you can use these like as mini handles to line the glass up with your tablet. Once you're happy with the way it lines up, do one final check of dust and then gently peel the underside layer of the protective layer of the glass off, and then gently lower it onto your tablet. You will see that there's some air holes in the tablet, but these naturally disperse over time. You can speed them along using the cloth to push them to the edge of the display if you wish. So that's pretty much it. It's actually fairly simple, but if you have any questions at all, please feel free to contact us and we'll do our best to help. Thank you very much.